I chose to attend Notre Dame for the great traditions, my favorite being praying at the grotto before football games.
I chose ND because of its inclusive environment, and I'm very fortunate to be part of the Andre Center and its supportive teachers.
I chose Notre Dame for the brotherhood, the all-male environment, and the camaraderie that it builds being here.
I chose Notre Dame because of advisory. Advisory helps us to make new relationships and build friends for over 4 years.
I came to Notre Dame because of all the clubs offered and all the traditions that those clubs provide.